Isilo uGoodwill Zwelithini kaBhekuzulu wabe eyizinyane lesilo uCyprian noNdunankulu uThomo. Isilo sazalelwa esibhedlela eSt Benedictine kwaNongoma ngo1948. Wafundiswa ekolishi iBhekuzulu College of Chiefs. Waqala ukuba isilo sesizwe samaZulu ngemuva kokukhothama kukababa wakhe isilo uCyprian Bhekuzulu kaSolomon ngo1968. Ungangezwe lakhe wake waya ekubhaceni iminyaka emithathu ukugwema imizamo yokumsoconga. Washadelwa unkosikazi wakhe wokuqala uNdunankulu uSibongile Dlamini eneminyaka engama-21. Waqala ukuba isilo sesizwe samaZulu ngo1971. Lo mcimbi wabe uthamelwe izinkumbi zabantu ekubalwa kubo namabutho. Isilo savuselela isiko lokusoka abesilisa elabe liyekwe ngesikhathi sokubusa kwesilo uShaka. Lokhu kwabamba iqhaza elikhulu emzamweni yokulwisana negciwane lesandulela ngculazi kanye nengculazi uqobo. Ukuvuselelwa kwesiko lokuhlolwa kwamatshitshi yenye yezinto uBayede azenze ngempumelelo. Ngesikhathi sama-80s kuya kuma-90s kwadlula emhlabeni izinkulungwane zabantu ngenxa yodlame olwabe luphakathi kwalabo ababeseka iANC kanye neIFP. Sekuzobusa uhulumeni wentando yabantu ngaphambi nje kuka-1994. Uhulumeni wengcindezelo wanikeza isikhwama iNgonyama Trust umhlaba ongama-hektha alinganiselwa ku-3 million. Amalungiselelo okutshala uBayede abengakaphothulwa. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC ngiseThekwini.
Isilo samabandla isona esiphathe ubukhosi isikhathi eside eningizimu yeAfrika. Wathatha lesikhundla ngo1971 emva kokukhothama kukayise iNgonyama uCyprian Bhekuzulu kaSolomon. Waba iNgonyama yesizwe samaZulu yesishiyagalombili. Uyise mkhulu iNgonyama uShaka kasenza ngakhona waduma kakhulu ngokubumba isizwe samaZulu nesiqine kakhulu ezwenikazi iAfrika. Ngesikhathi sombuso wakhe ongabanga mude kangako zingaphezulu kwekhulu izizwe zamakhosi ezangena ngaphansi kobukhosi bakhe kwabumbeka isizwe samaZulu. Eminyakeni yakhe yokuqala ebusa iNgonyama eseminyakeni engama-20 obudala yahola isizwe sayo Buthule isacijelwe kulesihlalo ngaphandle kwaleli. Njengoba iNgonyama yayingachemena neqembu lezombusazwe, isimo sezombusazwe sangaleso sikhathi senza kwalukhuni satshe eNgonyameni ukugwema ukudonselwa kwezombusazwe. Saba sibi kakhulu ke isimo njengoba iningi labantu lalilwa nohulumeni wobandlululo kwaZulu. Ngeminyaka yo-80 isilo sagcina singena embangweni wezinhlelo zikahulumeni wakwaZulu wokuthi isifundazwe sizimele ngaphansi kukahulumeni wezabelo. INingizimu Afrika yayilungiselela ukungena entandweni yabantu. Owayengumengameli wakulelizwe uNelson Mandela wahlangana neNgonyama amahlandla amaningana kubhungwa ngesimo saKwaZulu Natal nokwenza ukuthi kube nobudlelwano obuhle kakhulu. Enkulumeni kaMadiba emcimbini wokubungaza ukuzala kwesilo sihlanganisa iminyaka engama-50 wahlonipha amabutho ayelwa ngaphansi kombuso wengcindezelo. Laba baholi baqhubeka basebenzisana eminyakeni yo-90 ukuzama ukuqeda impi yezombusazwe neyayisisabalele isifundazwe sonke yadlula nezinkulungwane zabantu.
My message to those of you involved in this battle of brother against brother is this: take your guns, your knives, and your pangas and throw them into the sea.
Kule minyaka iNgonyama iqhubekile nokweseka uhulumeni. Uhulumeni wabona iNgonyama njengomuntu oletha ukuthula, uzinzo, ukukhula kanye nokuthuthukisa isifundazwe. Uhulumeni kanye nabaholi bamaqembu ezombusazwe bamgcina ngokuthuthukisa isifundazwe kanye nasezwenikazi.
And Your Majesty, we are going to work very hard to forge the unity that you so want to see in the ANC, the unity that the majority of our people so dearly want to see.
As the EFF, we recognize traditional leadership. As the EFF, we are ready to work with the traditional leadership, and we're officially also introducing ourselves. We've handed over our presents. We received a beautiful counseling from the king, because he's not just the king, he's our father, he's our elder.
Njengomgcini wamasiko amagugu amaZulu, eminye yemilando emikhulukazi ayenza ngekhathi kubusa ungangezwe lakhe kwaba ukubuya kwamasiko amadala kaZulu. Ekuqaleni konyaka u2000 ngesikhathi kuqubuka igciwane lengculaza nengculaza uqobo, iKwaZulu Natal yaba indawo ehlaseleke kakhulu yilesifo. Ingonyama yaba sekhaleni lempi nalolu bhubhane. Ngo2009 wamemezela ngokuvuselela kwesiko lokusoka kwabafana.
But his main contribution to me, which is a legacy that is known all over the world, where he made a very prominent announcement that the male circumcision revived, but he would like it done medically. Why is he saying that? His Majesty went on to say this culture was taught by our king, King Shaka, 200 years ago, because King Shaka did not want men who were not available to fight the wars of resistance, the dispossession of our land, and therefore he needs all men to be available and ready to fight the wars. He then stopped this culture. Our king, our reigning king, then said, we have a new war, a war against HIV and AIDS. And the king went on to say, I'm informed that men, if they are circumcised, have a 50% reduction chance of transmitting a virus from themselves to their partners.
Isinqumo sesilo saba undabamlonyeni emhlabeni jikelele sathola ukwasekwa na izinhlangano khona kuyo nezempilo emhlabeni.
We never had a single man or a boy who died through this culture from the time we started in 2010 until in May of 2018, when we announced to our king that we have circumcised 1 million men.
Akazangeke agcine lapho, waphinde weseka ukuvuselela ukuhlolwa kwamatshitshi. Lokhu kwabe kuhambisana nomkhosi womhlanga lapho amatshitshi ekhombisa khona ubuntombinto njalo ngomandulo. Ngalomkhosi ingonyama ibiququzela ukuziphatha nje kwamatshitshi kuphela.
He provides a platform for them to have a voice. They address His Majesty on that platform, and besides that, it keeps them together. But if we go deep into the purpose and the objective of uMhlanga, uMhlanga is part of moral regeneration, because when he's there, he addresses them, and he also advises them on how they should live their lives, and besides that, they have a chance to be introduced to Zulu culture.
Isilo sagcina namagugu esizwe samaZulu, umkhosi welembe, umcimbi lapho kwakuhlonishwa khona impilo kaShaka kasenza ngakhona okunguyena owabumba amaZulu.
What he has done, he revived history. You will recall that we have King Shaka's Day, which he started to commemorate Ilembe, Malembe Khalipa, who was the founder of the Zulu nation. And besides that, that commemoration has spread throughout the country. The whole South Africa celebrated 24th of September, and it is through him. And that celebration alone, it brings people of all walks, Zulus and non-Zulus, even people from Swaziland, Mpumalanga, and all over, even from the Eastern Cape, they do come and attend this ceremony. So he is a unifier.
Ukuphatha kwengonyama akuzange kube nokungaboni ngasolinye. Kwesinye isikhathi yayiba ngaphansi kwengcindezi ngezitatimende ayebe izenza emcimbini yomphakathi. Isilo besaziwa kakhulu ngokukhuluma lokho kusemqondweni waso ngaleso sikhathi. Ikomishana yamalungelo abantu yayibizwa kaningana ukuzophenya isilo ngokuphawula kwaso. Uhulumeni wakwaZulu Natal minyaka yonke ukhipha izigidi zamarandi iswe eNdunankulu ukuyokweseka isilo kanye nomndeni waso. Angabazeki ke nakancane ukuthi ushiye ifa elingasoze lalibaleka.